Popular expert system shells. One of the popular expert system shell is ES which stands for Expert System Builder. It is one of most famous expert system shell, and it is free expert system shell that is implemented especially for student and researcher to develop an expert system shells. The shell consists of an improved web interface built using the Ajax framework. It stores the facts and rules of knowledge base in online MySQL database. There is a built-in interface engine written in Prolog, and user interface are developed using simple HTML and CSS. The database connectivity is maintained to access knowledge base using PHP. The role-based knowledge base can also be developed using decision tree that consists attributes, values, and conclusion. Attributes. Attributes are characteristics of possible conclusion that are to be tested in expert system shell. Values. Each value node represents the most correct response to an attribute for a particular conclusion. And final is the the last one is the conclusion. The final decision made based on attributes and values is the conclusion. Benefits of an AS Builder. AS Builder AS Builder is an auto-generated user interface with the use of simple HTML and CSS design of its user interface. Also, it has an ability to create backup files of knowledge base and easy integration with MySQL database. It, it also has an ability to populate the knowledge base using decision tree. And last is it optimized view of role-based programming, role-based knowledge base. Limitation of is builder. Only for it only supported forward forward chaining roles, and backward chaining roles is not supported. Clips stands for C language integrated production system. As the meaning suggests, the Clips expert system shell is written in procedural language C. Clips was also developed at 1995 at NASA. It is a role-based programming language that is used for creating an expert system shell. Clips are also used in systems where the heuristic solution is easier to implement and maintain than a traditional algorithmic approach. Clips provide three different tools for knowledge representation in the form of programming methodologies and programming paradigms. These are the three methods of Clips: the procedural and object-oriented programming and role-based programming. Since Clips is written in C language, thus the expert system developed by Clips requires ANSI compilers. Since the system that already have the ANSI compiler can easily run expert system without changing the source code. Benefits of Clips. It can be easily embedded in other subroutines made in the procedural language to extend their existing functionality. And it also supports the methods like fuzzy logics and agents. Limitation of Clips. It only supports the forward chaining rules but not support the backward chaining rules like like AS Builder. The JES. JES stands for Java Expert System Shell, and it is also another expert system shell in a scripting language that is completely written in Java. It it also heavily used to build role-based expert system, which is tightly linked to systems that are written in Java. The expert system built by using JES can either run or on command line interface or can be used on applet. JS-based expert system shell are widely used as an intelligent agent in enterprise resource planning system and in order of validation and e-commerce platform. Benefits of JIS. It better to be applied in bigger problems where performance is dominated by algorithm quality. It also include backward chaining and working memory queries and faster than the expert system developed using by the shells written in C language. And it also contains some commands which allow less memory usage when executing the system. Limitation of JIS. Some capabilities are limited when it is used in browser. The PIKE. The PIKE stands for Python Knowledge Engine. It also uses logic programming that is inspired by Prolog, but PIKE is entirely written in a programming language Python. The Python functions, PIKE rules, and PIKE pattern variables graph are the major feature of PIKE knowledge base. This is an interface engine that uses rules and facts to create additional facts using forward chaining or rules to probe the goals. And also, through backward chaining, it assembles Python function in customizable call graphs, which is also known as plan. Benefits of Pike. Highly, it is highly customizable and code adaptability, and it also has a high performance with and has a good reusability, and also it uses both back forward and backward chaining, and it has also an ability to run commands on local system to guide the inferencing, and it also provides end user to questions capability. Limitation of Pike. The UI should be created manually, and integration users awkward when integrating inference engine with different UI. Expert system shells flexibility. By contrast, human beings are flexible problem solver that continuously adapt to the demands and opportunity presented by complex, heterogeneous, and or dynamic environment. A flexible expert system must be capable to perform multi reasoning tasks and involve different problems, problem domain, and problem solving methods. The generality and flexibility of best environment present the first application developer with numerous implementation choices, and it also provides a wide range of options and capabilities. What significant increase the productivity of programmers and improve the performance of the application they produce.